I came here to book my car for service, but I was turned back. They say my car is not due for service yet. I must come back maybe in September. So yeah, so let's go to the plantation to buy the flowers. I want to buy snake plants, you know, for the space that I've uprooted the 2 trees. So I'm going to, okay, let's go to the plantation. Guys, the plantation that I normally buy my plants from, it's closed down. I wonder why. So I've decided to go to the second one to buy those snake plants. So I'm hoping over here I will find what I'm looking for, because this one lacks a lot of plants. I remember I went to this one last time before I bought those trees of mine. They didn't have the trees that I was looking for, and I've been to them a few times looking for stuff and they didn't have. So hopefully this time I will find what I'm looking for. Like, I need snake plants, so let's see if I can get snake plants from them. Snake plants, you know. She's coming to assist me. She's coming to assist. She's taking her own set time. Let's walk around while we wait for her to come and assist. Let me wait for her. Yeah, I'm talking to someone. Oh, eating is switch her off. She's not coming. You guys, I got the plants, but I couldn't. What happened here? I couldn't film inside because the lady who works here, she was not comfortable with it. I suspect it's those that don't have legal documents, because I can even how she speaks, accent, she's from outside, she's not from here. So I had to switch off. I couldn't show you her face or inside. She asked me to switch off the camera while she was still far. So I got the plants. I'm not 100% happy with them, but snake plants, they are easy to nest. So I will nest them. And then I know soon they will be looking okay. She tells me that where they are storing them, it's in the open, and they were rained on, and these plants, they don't want too much water. You just water them once a week. So because Bona, they display them in the open. When it rains, they get rained on. So, but anyway, I don't mind because the price is very reasonable. So I'm going to plant them and nest them, you know. So we are done. Let's go home. I'm so hungry. I haven't had breakfast. It's already after midday. It's past 12. I did not have breakfast because I was rushing to go to the police station because our appointment was for 8 o'clock. So let's go home and eat something. I'm not even sure what I want to eat. Me with the confused appetite. Sometimes my appetite will be so high, and sometimes I don't have appetite. I didn't know there's a plantation here. I would have went there and compared them. But hey, I'm not really happy with what I got. But yeah, no, I'll be fine. Okay, let's go home. Eh? Are you hungry now? It's almost done. Actually, more almost done. Almost. Yeah. But it's fine. Yeah. It's fine. Hmm? Yeah. My heart is so gonna that thing. I think I bought it specifically for the chocolate. That's all. I just hope what I'm thinking is not true. And but who will take it if not him? Because he's the only person I know him in this house. Who will take it if not him? It has always been a dream for me to value that thing. So, now it can be. Those trees in front, if you can go back and watch my videos, hey, now it's nowhere to be found. Oh, I know. Can only be him and his people. And more also fertile, you know, our youngsters used to go these ways.
Oh, yeah.
And stuff and netting stuff. And by go church and sell it to Mahulu and Fitamula. Mahulu used to feed them to their dogs.
Oh, yeah.
So never gonna him buy like this. And very clear. And making some money for themselves.
I did a check.
Today you're gonna enjoy.
Can't wait.
Those that watch my videos will remember the trees that were here, the two trees that were not growing. So I've decided to replace them with the snake plants, and I've moved them to the backside. Hopefully they will grow. So far I haven't seen, it's been weeks now. So far I haven't seen any improvement, but we'll see as time goes. Here is the place. Hello. I couldn't come back yesterday. Remember the phone I told you about?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll come back to fetch it.
What time you come? How much I told you?
You said 600.
650.
Why now the price changes?
No, I told you 650.
No, you said 600.
Okay, no problem. Which model is A24?
Yeah, it's
Okay, you can
Samsung.
come like 2 o'clock or yeah, you can come 2 o'clock.
Okay, or any time after 2 o'clock.
Yeah, anytime after.
Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, guys, I've dropped the phone with the guy who promised to fix it. I mean, these guys, I inquired yesterday when I was here about how much he's gonna charge me to fix it's actually my phone, the screen is what has crashed, and then he said 600. Now I don't know, today he judged me or what, or maybe he was just taking chances. Now he says no, he said 650. I mean, I know what I heard. He said 600. Now he wants to change it. You know, these people, you know, this is the nationality that we know, Hore. They love money. Like, you know, they can be so desperate for money. They can, you know, I don't know, Billy, let me not gossip. But hey, okay. So I'm hoping, Hore, I'm gonna be able to post something tonight, because I haven't been posting. It's been 2 weeks, and my son promised to buy me a new phone, but the phone is not coming. I've been waiting, so hence I've decided, okay, maybe in the meantime I should fix this one, even if I don't have money. I said, let me fix this one. I'll pay it with my credit card, and then when my son brings the phone, the new one that he promised to buy for me, and then this one will be my spare phone. So okay, and now I'm going to, I have a meeting with my coach. My coach is the professor who coaches me about the products that I'm selling. He's also in the business of selling these products. So we have like monthly meetings. Actually, me and him meet twice a month just to discuss the challenges that we come across, and also for him to advise me on other stuff related to this business. So we have a meeting. We're gonna meet at the restaurant. Okay, so let me resume the filming when I'm there at the restaurant. Bye for now. Yesterday I came to the shop to pick up my phone, but I found the shopkeeper. I found the shop closed, and I wondered why, because according to the poster on the door, it says they open at 9 and close at 6. And I was here 10 to 6, and already it was closed. Hello, how are you?
Thanks.
I'm good. I was here yesterday, you were closed already.
But I told you you can come. I will close like 5:30. I told you you can come after 4.
You didn't tell me it closed at 5:30.
Yeah.
You said
What
I
time
can
you
come after 2. I was here 10 to 6 because your poster outside it says you close at 6.
Yeah, but you know the weather, that's why. In the summer, I will close 6 after 6, 7 o'clock.
Everybody was open, but you was closed. You don't want business.
Don't take risk. After 5, 6, no customer will be come here. Everything will be empty.
Is it?
That's why. There is your
Okay.
phone. You can check
Is it
everything.
working
Yeah,
now?
everything will be work. This one is the sticker. When you want, you can just remove it.
Oh, this thing.
Okay.
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 And
Okay.
do you have
What is it?
screen protector? Oh, you want to? It's me. I'm
Is you
filming
making
myself.
vlog?
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you have-
vlog?
yeah, I'm vlogging.
You have a YouTube channel.
Eh?
You have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have a YouTube
Okay,
channel.
no problem. You can give me your YouTube channel. I
I'll
will
give you
subscribe
my
you.
link. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. I want screen protector.
Yeah, I do
but
have.
the cheapest.
The 100 one is fine. I have the glass one. I will give you 400.
400 rand,
Yes.
not 50 rand. I want the one for 50 rand.
I will check for you.
And then your covers, can I see them?
Yeah, I will show you. You can come this side.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm happy. Finally, I have my phone back. I'll be able to continue vlogging because for almost a month I couldn't post anything because I use this phone to this machine is making noise. I use this phone to vlog, so to edit and do anything. I mean, to vlog, edit, post, everything on it. So without it, I couldn't function without it. I tried posting using my other phone, but it did not work. So, hey, let's continue vlogging. Okay, ciao for now.